Hi there, good morning. This is Nandini Sanyal from etmarkets.com with our regular morning podcast of the news, views and cues that could sway your market through the day. As Trump tremors royal stock markets globally, the Dalal Strait is seeking to take cover from a sharp bounce in metal stocks. December quarter earnings from some of the top companies will trigger stock-specific action through the day. Asian markets traded subdued this morning and the US dollar was under pressure in Asia as US President Donald Trump's focus on trade protectionism fueled suspicions that his administration might seek a competitive advantage through a weaker currency. The talk of trade was favored safe haven treasuries and the Japanese yen, while leaving equities mixed. US stocks fell in overnight trade. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 27.4 points, the S&P 500 lost 6.11 points, and the Nasdaq 2.39 points. Asian stock markets were trading weak earlier in the day, with the Nikkei down by about 38 points and Kospi trading marginally lower. The Dalal Strait is looking for some cover from the bounce that metal stocks have been witnessing over the past few sessions. The Nifty Metal Index jumped 2.7% on Monday, tracking gains in base metal prices on the London Metal Exchange, which have been rising on expectation of better demand after Trump reiterated his infrastructure spending plans. And reading from the charts, some analysts projected up to 8 to 10% upside in Nifty Metal Index as it has consistently traded above 50 and 200 DMAs. The Nifty 50 formed a piercing pattern on the daily candlestick charts on Monday, suggesting that the positive momentum may sustain in the market for now. The 50-share index closed 42.15 points higher at 8,391 on Monday. Nifty 50 futures on the Singapore Stock Exchange were trading higher this morning, indicating a positive opening for the domestic market. The rupee weakened on Monday against the US dollar amid broad dollar weakness. The home currency opened at 68.06 against the US dollar. Rupee closed at 68.22 per US dollar, down 0.05% from its previous close of 68.18 on Friday. So far this year, it is down 0.43%. The primary market is a buzz, with the Rs 1,241 crore initial public offering of the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE receiving 51% bids by the close of day one of the bidding process on Monday. The first IPO of calendar 2017 had received bids for 54.30 lakh shares out of 1.07 crore shares on the block. There has been heavy demand from retail investors. Meanwhile, market-wide rollover of futures and options contracts stood at 38% at the end of Monday, 2 days after the expiry of January series futures and options contracts, compared with an average of 40% seen in previous 3 series. Nifty rollover stood at 32%, which was lower than the 40% average seen in the past F&O series. On the earnings front, top companies such as HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, Asian Technologies, Wockhardt, Biocon and IDBI Bank. Besides PNB Housing Finance, Indian Overseas Bank, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and Karnataka Bank are going to announce results during the day. Lastly, a quick look at some of the interesting headlines from the print edition of ET Markets. The capital market regulator is said to have asked the Finance Ministry to use tax rules for stock trading and investment in mutual funds, measures that should help give the equity market a boost if accepted. Regulator also wants ELS's investment limit increased to Rs 2 lakh. Aberdeen Asset Management says India trailing Spain on the sovereign rating tables makes no sense to it and called the delay in acknowledging the Asian economy's improving outlook staggering. Aberdeen's $7.7 billion emerging market fund has the highest allocation weighted to India compared with other countries. And finally, Aswath Damodaran, world-renowned guru on finance and valuation, will speak exclusively on ET Markets pre-budget meet in Mumbai later today on crucial issues affecting the world of financial markets and the forthcoming union budget. Don't miss this one. You can catch all the action live from your home on www.etmarkets.com. We would leave you with that much for now. Do log on to www.etmarkets.com through the day for continuous updates on every development in the financial markets. Have a good trading day ahead.